The expression garbage in, garbage out applies to a lot in life, including your CRM database. Welcome to another edition of Marketing Tip Monday. A CRM with a clean and accurate database can help position your business to scale and grow. It's the foundation from which you can build a strong email marketing machine, develop and execute your business processes and workflows, and improve the experience for those you do business with. Today, we're going to be discussing 4 strategies you can leverage to make sure you're creating a database that sets you up for success. Strategy 1, avoid duplicates. Duplicate records lead to duplicate marketing, creating a poor experience for the people we do business with and generating greater marketing costs and inefficiencies in your processes. Before adding new records into your database, always search for existing ones first. Taking a few more seconds to complete that one extra step can save a lot of headache and money down the road. What's more, when using a well-configured CRM, you'll be provided with notifications when duplicate records are detected and the ability to merge them together without losing valuable data. Strategy 2, be complete. When database records are incomplete, it's nearly impossible to gain many of the advantages a CRM can provide, some of which include marketing in a targeted and personalized way, or using CRM data to be strategic about your business decisions. That's why it's very important to be as complete and thorough as possible when entering records into your database. A powerful CRM can do much of the heavy lifting for you through automating the pre-population of as much data as possible, making this process more efficient so you can focus your valuable time elsewhere. Strategy 3, create and use standards. Standardize the format of the data entered into your database. When you have consistencies in formatting of things like names, phone numbers, and notes, your efficiency grows, searching for and finding records becomes fast and easy, and email marketing appears less automated and more personalized. Strategy 4, audit regularly. A regular data audit will help you identify inaccuracies and gaps in the other strategies we've discussed and help paint the picture of how you can make adjustments to avoid similar problems in the future. Having well-developed strategies in place provides you with a great foundation. You can then begin to think more specifically about your business objectives and the data you should be gathering in order to meet those objectives, which we'll be covering in a future episode. But for now, thanks so much for tuning in to this week's Marketing Tip Monday.